Sustainability. You've probably read or heard the term before, in the news, at work or at school. But what does it actually mean? How does it work and why is it important for us as society? Meaningful questions that we will explore further in this video. Are you ready? Let's go! In order to get a better understanding about what sustainability means, we will first look at its definition. In essence, sustainability refers to the ability to meet the needs of the current generation without compromising the possibilities of future generations. This may sound difficult, but it's relatively simple. It means that the choices we make today affect the quality of life for our children or their children in the future. For example, is there enough water or food available if we continue to consume at this high rate, or will biodiversity be preserved if we continue to destroy natural areas such as forests or reefs? For both, the current expectation is that this is not the case. To prevent this and to establish a healthy and safe future, sustainability is based on a framework consisting of three important principles, known as the 3 Ps or the triple bottom line. It stands for the three elements: people, planet and profit. People or social sustainability focuses on people and strives for a society in which everyone, regardless of their background, can live a full and healthy life. It emphasizes providing access to basic needs such as food, shelter, healthcare and education. Planet or ecological sustainability specifically focuses on the preservation, care and health of our planet. It includes the responsible use of natural resources, the reduction of waste and pollution, and the preservation of organisms for the benefit of biodiversity. Profit or economic sustainability is about creating a resilient and growing economy that is in line with the environmental and social well-being of current and future generations. It includes policies to promote sustainable business practices, responsible use of resources, and the creation of circular economies. In order to achieve an optimal result worldwide, the three different elements must be combined in a harmonious way. The idea is that if this is not the case, the other elements will suffer. For example, if financial profit is given too much priority within a company, people and the environment will suffer as a result. For instance, through poor working conditions or the destruction of nature. It is all about finding the right balance. Interestingly, the 3 Ps also form the foundation of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. If you want to learn more about this, click the subscribe button, turn on your notifications and check out the video at the left side of the screen. Are you curious about what you can do to live more sustainably? Then check out the video at the right side of the screen. Enjoy watching and see you next time.